Welcome to the orientation program of skill development courses approved by UGC New Delhi under National Skill Qualification Framework to Guru Nanak College, Shri Muktsar Sahib. Presently, the college is running three BWOC courses approved by UGC New Delhi. These courses are BWOC in Software Development, BWOC in Retail Management, and BWOC in Food Science and Technology. Also, two advanced diploma courses under the Community College scheme of UGC has also been approved. These are Advanced Diploma in Fashion Designing and Clothing Construction and Advanced Diploma in Medical Lab Technology. In addition to this, UGC has also approved 6 monthly certificate courses. These 5 courses are Web Designing and Management, Food Processing and Preservation, Yoga and Mental Health, Mushroom Cultivation, and Dress Designing and Tailoring. A student can join these 6 monthly certificate courses with any other degree program. From the session 2020 and 21, UGC has approved new courses to our college. It includes 4 BWOC courses and 1 PG diploma course. These courses are BWOC in E-commerce and digital marketing, BWOC in greenhouse technology, BWOC in journalism and mass communication, and BWOC in medical lab technology. One postgraduate diploma course in chemical analysis of food has also been approved. The BVO courses, that is the Bachelor of Vocation, these courses are recognized at par or equivalent with any other bachelor level degree for the students who are appearing in the competitive exams conducted by Center or State Public Service Commission, Staff Selection Commission, or any other such bodies where the eligibility criteria is bachelor degree in any discipline. The major difference between BVOC and other UG programs is that, like in other UG programs, a student can take exit only after the completion of 3 years. But in case of Bachelor of Vocational, that is BVOC courses, a student can take exit even after 1 year. And if a person is exiting after 1 year, then that student will get a diploma certificate. If that student is exiting after 2 years, then the advanced diploma certificate will be provided, and on the completion of 3 years it will be considered as a BVOC degree like any other degree. Now the eligibility criteria for BVOC courses is that a student must pass 10 plus 2 from any recognized educational board and from any stream. It can be arts, commerce, science, or vocational. These BVOC courses offer various job opportunities to the students. Like in case of software development, there are various job opportunities like from data entry operator, software trainee, technical software voice to system analyst, IT officers, Linux administration, software developer, database administration, and network administration, etc. The job roles of retail management is that a student can act or work as a team leader, departmental manager, and multi-channel retailer in the leading retail segment of India. In case of food science and technology, the various job opportunities are: the student can opt as a baking technician, food product packaging technician, dairy product processor, food microbiologist, food analyst, and many more. The job roles of newly introduced e-commerce and digital marketing varies from analytics manager, CRM manager, digital marketing intern, digital marketing executive, content marketing executive, digital marketing strategies, and digital marketing manager. The job roles of journalism and mass communication, these are A student can opt as a computer operator, online journalism, senior reporter, freelancer, etc. The job roles offered in the greenhouse technology course are that nursery manager, greenhouse assistant, greenhouse technician, manager, supervisor, production manager, or even a student can run his or her own NGO. The job roles of medical lab technology are a student can opt to act as a medical lab technician, self employment, placement in government and private hospitals, employment in diagnostic labs, and teaching jobs in paramedical colleges. Now, the eligibility criteria for community college courses are a student must pass 10 plus 2 from any recognized educational board from any stream. These community college courses also provide the facility of exit to the students. If a student takes exit after 6 months, then that student will get certificate course. After 1 year, it will be considered as a diploma certificate, and after 2 years, it will be considered as a advanced diploma course. The job roles of advanced diploma in fashion designing and clothing construction are self-employment, placements in industries as a supervisor, manager, sales manager, and dress cum fashion designer. The job roles in advanced diploma in medical lab technology are same as in case of Bachelor of Vocation in Medical Lab Technology, that is self-employment, placement in government and private hospitals, employment in diagnostic labs, and teaching jobs in paramedical college. The eligibility criteria for postgraduate diploma course in chemical analysis of food is that a student must pass BSc in medical, non-medical or biotechnology with at least 50% marks. And the job roles offered in the PG diploma course chemical analysis of food varies from animal nutritionist, dietitian, food technologist, quality manager, retail buyer, etc. These are the glimpses of the various activities organized by skill development courses in our college. These are the activities conducted under the BVOC courses and community college courses and various certificate courses successfully running in our college. So thank you for being part of our